Hey everybody, it's been a while since I made a video, but what I've done recently is I created a PDF tutorial and put it in my Etsy shop showing you how to make cabochons like these. And I was trying to describe how to trim them, and it's hard to explain it in words, so I thought I would actually create a video and show you how to do that. And if you're interested, like I said, it is available in my Etsy shop, and I'll give you a link below. So let's see, this one's not trimmed yet. So what I do is you have to wear cut resistant gloves, otherwise you almost certainly will cut yourself. And I use an X-Acto knife, and it's a good idea to make sure the blade is sharp. And once the adhesive is completely dry, I flip it over, take the knife, and I cut into the glass, or I cut into the paper until I reach the edge of the glass, and then I start to pull down on the blade as I move forward, like that. Move down, stop, turn it a little bit, move down as I cut forward, and just continue like that all the way around the cabochon. That way you're not pulling the art away from the cab when you're cutting. And also I use the knife, and you'll have some extra adhesive on the glass, and you can just scrape that. Your knife won't scratch the glass. Just carefully scratch that away. You want to keep your gloves on while you're doing this. It's pretty clean. And then, if you have any adhesive on top of the glass, and this one seems to be clean, you can always scrape it off, and it won't scratch your cabochon. And then if you still have some rough edges, you can take a nail file, emery board, and just sand down the edge carefully, like so, until it's smooth. But you want to make sure you don't go onto the glass, because this will scratch the glass. So I just gently smooth down those rough edges. Like so. And then when I've got all the edges smooth, if you're doing bead embroidery, you could probably consider them finished now and go ahead and use them. I don't think in bead embroidery you have to finish the back of the glass or seal the sides. But when you are going to use them for wire wrapping, you do need to make sure that the patina solutions won't reach the art. And I'll show you in that tutorial how to finish the backs and the sides to make them ready to dip in the patina solutions. So again, if you want to learn how to make cabochons like these, I'll put a link in the description for the tutorial. And thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.